I'm not happy, UK Rail Network. Not happy. Ask me why. Why? But if it's a UK Train Network, why am I happy? Well, today, UK Train Network, some of your services are going on strike. God! Oh God! Today is going to be my extreme rant on train strikes. Sorry about that. Anyways, even though it's called rail strikes, but screw it, I don't care. I'm just going to call it train strike because it sounds much better. Anyways. God! Just... Fuck train strikes in the... Oh! I fucking hate train strikes! Because, I mean, I just fucking hate them. They cause every single time. Now, one time, because, first of all, they cause a lot of bad things, and train strikes just fucking suck. God, I just fucking hate train strikes. Now, even though, to be honest, I don't really experience train strike that much, but I had one bad memory of train strike because one time we were about to go home back on the train. It was actually back in September of last year. Yeah, we were about to go back home and we were about to go train back home at 9, and guess what? They said that it was closed because apparently there was guess what? There was a strike happening at that night. What the actual fuck? God, I was really pissed off. When they said that when they said that there was a strike happening at that night. I was really pissed off because I was like, what are we gonna do? And thankfully, the tube was open, so we took another way. But it was still stressful. I mean, honestly, why do these strikes exist? Honestly, that has got to be my worst nights ever. God, I just fucking hate train strikes, burning passion. I just fucking hate them. I just fucking hate them with burning passion. I just hate them. I mean, they're just terrible. They just cause confusion. And I've heard that most people had struggles because it was train strike. I mean, what the fuck? These have got to be the worst strikes ever. Oh my god, bro. When I first heard about rails, honestly, bro, I just fucking hate train strikes with a burning, flaming passion. God, I just fucking hate train strikes with a burning passion. I mean, okay. Now, the strikes don't. Now, thankfully, the strikes don't really affect my local lines that much. Even though they only affect us sometimes, but the one I'm travelling. But still, I mean, strikes just suck, in my opinion. I just want them to just end right now. Honestly, bro, honestly, when I first heard about the rail strikes, strikes. When I first heard about the rail strikes happening, it was on the TV and they said rail strike, and I was like, what the fuck is this? I was like, what the fuck? And around that time, and they said around that time that the tube was going on strike as well. It was around the same time when the tube was going on strike. No joke, the tube was also going on strike at that time. Now, thankfully, as for the tube, they said that they're not doing strikes anymore. But now, apparently, some strikes or tube, I'm not sure. Anyways, now, tube was strike, honestly, but just rail strikes, or train strikes, they're just fucking terrible. I just cannot fucking stand these strikes. Honestly, I just cannot fucking stand these strikes. They are just fucking terrible. But you wanna know what? But you wanna know what the bad news is? It doesn't. Apparently, there's no sign. It doesn't look like there's people. It doesn't feel like that these strikes are gonna end. No joke. It doesn't sound like these strikes are gonna end. They're saying that it's gonna continue. Oh, it doesn't. Apparently, these strikes are gonna continue. They're not gonna end. Oh god, they're never gonna end. Which sucks. Well, they couldn't, but I can't believe they're just gonna continue. They're gonna continue like that. No. Now what? Oh my god, bro. I just fucking hate train strikes. So yeah, train strikes suck. Those are my fault. Those are my fault. Bye.